In today's video, I'll show you how to draw arrows in Miro, a simple but powerful skill that makes your diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps look clean and professional. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Miro tutorials that help you design smarter. Let's start by activating the connection tool, which is what you'll use to draw arrows. You can find it in the toolbar represented by an arrow icon. Once it's selected, click anywhere on your canvas. Hold down your mouse button and drag in the direction you want the arrow to go. This motion allows you to map out connections visually and precisely. Now, if you want your arrow to be perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at a 45-degree angle, here's a neat trick. While dragging your arrow, hold the Shift key. This locks the arrow's direction, keeping your layout clean and structured. It's especially handy for creating polished flowcharts or diagrams that need geometric alignment. Sometimes Miro's snap to object feature can make arrows jump automatically to nearby shapes. If you prefer full manual control, hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while drawing. This temporarily turns off snapping, allowing you to freely place arrows exactly where you want them. And that's it. You've learned how to draw arrows in Miro, plus a few pro tips to make them look precise and visually appealing. Keep practicing, try different angles, and experiment with placements to master clean, clear diagram designs. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Miro guides.